Hi friends, it's Mrs. Awinga and I'm here today with our writing lesson. And today we're going to work on making spirals. And spirals are a really great writing stroke to know as we're starting to learn to write letters and shapes. And I think you're going to be pretty good at it because it's very much like making a circle, which you already know how to make. So when you learn to make a circle, remember, we start at the top and we go to the left all the way around. And it kind of closes right there. Do you remember learning to make a circle? Good. So if you're good at making circles, you're going to be good at today's stroke, which is a spiral. Now, before we make our spiral, I want to sing our direction song because it's important to know where to start when we're learning to write so that we make our letters and form them correctly. So our song goes like this: top to bottom, left to right, left to right. Top to bottom, left to right, left to right. Top to bottom, left to right. That is how we read and write. Top to bottom, left to right, left to right. Remember that song? Good. And so we always start on the left when we're writing, and that's why Mrs. O puts the green dot, because that's where we start. That green is for go. That's where we start. And I put the red dot over here telling me that I go this way and then stop. Okay? So we're going to start our spiral on the left. Okay? And what you're going to do is kind of set I want you to watch me this time. I forgot to say that. And then we'll get our tools out and make it together. Capiche? All right. I like how you said capiche back to me. Let's try that again. Capiche? Yes, thank you. Okay, so watch me first. I'm going to start right here. And I'm going to go around like I'm making a circle. Then I'm going to go a little bit bigger. I'm not going to connect it. And that helps me make a spiral. Yeah, it gets larger as it goes. Watch again. Start over here on the left. I'm going to curve around to the right, and I don't want to connect it. I want to go a little bit bigger. And a little bit bigger to make my spiral. Yeah, let's watch one more time. And this time I want you to get your finger out and I want you to trace my spiral with your finger, okay? I'm going to make a big one this time. Here we go. Curve to the left, round. Very good. You've made a spiral. Nice job. So this I'm going to have you get your tools out so we can practice making some spirals together. So you may use paper and pencil or your dry eraser board and marker. Okay. We're going to get our pencil, and you can do yours right on your tabletop. Remember to be sure your feet are flat on the floor and you're sitting kind of at the edge of your chair so that your back is nice and straight, okay? All right, we're going to start here on the left. Go around to the right, a little bit bigger, around, stop. Yeah, isn't that fun? You can use spirals for all kinds of things when you're creating with paper. Kind of looks like a shell, doesn't it? Yeah. I could put a little head here. And now I've made a hermit crab. All right, erase it. Let's make another spiral. Here we go. Okay. Pause the video, practice making a few spirals. right, nice job making your spirals. You did awesome today. And we're going to have you do a practice worksheet so that you can turn it into your teacher and she can see. And it's kind of cool because the paper today does have some snails on it. And the snail's head is there and their tail is there, but you need to trace to give them a shell. So you're going to practice making the spirals to give them a shell. So when you click next, go ahead and on your paper, use the pen on the Chromebook and make sure you turn it in so that your teacher gives you credit for it and sees that you were working on it at home. Nice work, everybody. We'll see you next time.